Hey guys, today we're going to be lighting my new smoker. It's not going.
There it goes.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Come on, babe.
Yep.
Oh,
Smoke it. Yep. It's needle. Is it working?
Let's see. Make it on fire quite.
Don't push it in yet. See how it's getting hot down in there? See the color change?
Now do I start?
You try smoking. There you go, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, hot.
That's good.
Whoa. 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 Bit more in.
Yeah, that's good though. We gotta get your smoker hot. It's never been used either, so go ahead, smoke it. There you go. And get that blue color. Yep. Yep, it's looking good.
Babe.
Alright. Alright, then we close the lid. Lid on it. There we go.
Whoa.
This is pretty cool, right? That yours? Pretty
Oh,
cool.
it actually like works.
Yeah.